Preparedness Awareness Weekend was created by the Office of Emergency Management to encourage families to be better prepared for disasters. The event is taking place on May 18th from 10 in the morning to 2 p.m. at the Woodrow Wilson Library. Every year we rotate the event to different districts to cater the needs of those communities. The program was created to have a hands-on experience for families to learn about preparedness. Families can come and learn about how to develop their own family plans, how to develop their own emergency kits based on their needs. This is a completely free event. We will have display vehicles from the fire department, the police department. We also have free food available to them. Residents can visit the county's website and do a search for Preparedness Awareness Weekend, or simply follow the hashtag ReadyFairfax on social media outlets.